Hi, I'm Mirren.
I'm Wojtek, and we are from the IVHQ group support team.
Are you thinking about leading a group on an unforgettable volunteer experience? Let us help you turn that dream into a reality. At IVHQ, we offer meaningful volunteer adventure opportunities for everyone, whether you're an individual, travelling with friends, or a group leader wanting to organise an unforgettable group trip. We are able to support any type of group, whether it be friends and family, corporates, or student and faculty groups of all ages.
Working with our trusted local partners in over 40 global destinations, we take the stress out of planning by matching you with the perfect project to meet your goals. If you're traveling solo or with a small group of 7 or fewer, simply submit an obligation-free application on our website.
For groups of 8 or more, we are here to guide you every step of the way. Schedule a call or send us an inquiry and we'll get you started.
Begin by exploring our wide range of programs to find the one that suits your interests.
With year-round start dates and durations available from just 1 week, you can filter your options by preferred destination, project type, budget, accommodation style, dietary requirements, and more. For larger groups, we recommend collaborative projects like construction and renovation, healthcare campaigns, or environmental initiatives. However, we're happy to discuss other options to find a project to suit your needs.
Once we understand your group's goals, IVHQ will customize your trip to include airport transfers, private transportation, accommodation, meals, and even optional sightseeing or cultural experiences. Everything will be tailored to meet your unique needs. While we handle the in-country logistics, you will be expected to arrange your group's flights, visas, travel insurance, vaccinations, police checks, and spending money.
Ready to inspire, connect, and make a difference? Visit www.volunteerhq.org to start planning your adventure today.